Welcome once again. So, for this video, I'm going to talk about decision analysis. We will cover decision analysis. So, earlier, I mentioned that in business decisions are made under three different environments. So, mga business decision makers like CEOs, they make decisions under different types of environment. One is certainty, second is uncertainty, and the third one is under risk. Okay? So so let's proceed. So there are 6 steps in making decisions in business. The first is the first step is to clearly define the problem. Is it a problem of profit, or is it maximizing profit, or is it a problem of minimizing the cost? Okay, so if you are an upstart, ang tanong ngayon is how do you penetrate the market? So how do you increase your sales? Halimbawa, that's a problem. Or bakit ang sales ay bumabagsak? Okay? O kung ikaw ay isang vlogger, ay bakit ang engagement mo ay parang bumabagsak, o di kaya konti lang ang subscribers mo? Okay? So list the possible alternatives. Identify the possible outcomes or states of nature. List the payoff or reward or profit of each combination of alternatives and outcomes. Then you choose one of several theories or models you can use in making decisions. Then you try to apply the model and make your own decision. So like I said, these are the 3 environments by which business decisions are made. So for decision under certainty, you have several criteria. You can choose to be optimistic. You make use of the Maximax approach. You can choose to be pessimistic, the Maximin approach. O kung may optimistic, merong pessimistic, meron ding realistic. Okay? So criterion of realism by Horwick's method, then equally likely, Laplace, then minimax, regret. So isa-isahin natin yan. So alam ba, Maximax, this is used to find the alternative that maximizes the maximum payoff or consequence for every alternative. So we have here a problem. Avrat Singh is the principal owner of Murugan Oil Incorporated. So because of the success in his business, he is forced to consider purchasing some more equipment for his business because of competition. So his alternatives are shown in the following table. Buy sub 100, or Euler J, or Texan. So what are the possible decisions? So under favorable market, if the market is good, ito yung magiging profit niya. For sub 100, 300,000. For Euler J, to 50,000. And for Texan, 75,000. Pero kung matumal naman, hindi maganda yung market, ito naman ang magiging loss niya. Avrat has always been a very optimistic decision maker. So what type of decision is Avrat facing? Okay? And what decision criterion should he use? Ayan, meron ka lang hint. And what alternative is best? So, using the Maximax approach, ito yung payoff table niya. What is the maximum? So we add a column. The maximum in a row is, so between 300 and negative, a loss of 200,000. Syempre, ang maximum mo yung 300,000. Okay? 250 against negative 100,000, it's a maximum ay 250,000. So, ang unang tanong ay, what type of decision is Avrat facing? The decision is under uncertainty. Wala namang given na probability, 'di ba? Iyon naman ang kaibahan ng decision under uncertainty and decision under risk. Under uncertainty, hindi mo alam ang probability. So we do not know, there is no given probability, so therefore this decision is made under uncertainty. Walang kasiguraduhan whether the market will be favorable or unfavorable. Not kasiguraduhan. Walang malinaw kung gaano kalaki ang chance na ang market ay maging favorable or unfavorable. Okay? Nabanggit naman that the decision maker is optimist. So, pag optimist, ang pipiliin niya ay yung whatever that will give him the highest return kapag favorable yung market. Okay? So, of the three choices, sub 100, Euler J, and Texan, dahil optimist siya, he will choose the sub 100. Kasi yun ang malaki ang reward or payoff na tinatawag. Okay?